Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. So as you see by the title, I'm doing weird food combos. I've always wanted to do this video, but from like since last year. I started doing some little shorts, and I'm like, let me do a whole video. I have a lot of stuff here, as you can see. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at a book. So some of these weird combos I've seen on TikTok. I got some from Google, and I watched some other videos. If you watch, what's his name, the guy that does it all the time, I watch all of his I got some from his too. I watch all of his weird food combos. Alonzo, I forgot his name, but he just be throwing the food. So if you watch it, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I find it's fun to upload shorts now. I like uploading shorts. So go check out my shorts. Alright, so the first one we're gonna try is the ketchup with eggs. So I put it in here so the eggs will keep warm. I don't want to leave it open. So we got the eggs, scrambled eggs. It's scrambled eggs. Ketchup with scrambled eggs. So this better taste good. I don't think I ever had this. Did I? No, I never had this before. So there's just so much stuff on the table. Yeah, you actually see me eating. Okay, so eggs and ketchup. It's okay. Would I eat my eggs like this all the time? No, but it's okay. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Alright, next one though is banana with bacon. You can see the bacon. So I see the videos to wrap the banana in the bacon. This banana was going bad, so I'm like, let me just use it. I just bought these bananas like 2 days ago, and they're going bad already. I'm gonna use the big part. Yeah, we're gonna use this piece. And the bacon, we're gonna wrap it around. This is, oh Lord. I'm gonna do this. Okay. This one is good. And it's been a while since I eat a bacon like this, because, well, I was trying to get the turkey bacon, but I don't think it would taste. I think it would taste better with this bacon. This is good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That one is good. Okay. Alright, so this is the Takis with jalapeno and cream cheese. So you cut out the middle. I don't really eat this by itself, so I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Just cream cheese. We're gonna use the edge of the spoon for this one. Stuff it in there. So just stuff it in there. Okay. Keep coming back up. A little bit more. Alright, then we're gonna stuff the Takis. Wait, it was Takis? Oh, it was the original Takis. Can I just use the Cheetos? I just want to use the Cheetos. I'm gonna go with the Cheetos. It's hot. I'm gonna use the Cheetos. Flaming hot Cheetos. bad. So this is how it look. Let's see how it tastes now. It's not bad. It is spicy. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. That's not bad. I would actually eat that. Oh, that was spicy. That was really good. I didn't that was really good. I didn't think I would like that, but it was good. Okay, so we're gonna try to make me a hot Cheetos cereal. So we're gonna throw. I'm gonna use oat milk. I don't want to use all of it. Okay, so this is how it look. I'm gonna try to record it on here and show y'all from this angle. Okay, so see how it looks. Oh, I like it. It's just spicy. It don't taste bad. It's just spicy though. That's one. I've tried a watermelon with watermelon with mustard already, so. Alright. Ice cream with olive oil. What? But that's what they say. So I'll make sure. I'm going to take a make sure. With olive oil, like y'all really eating this stuff out here? I see one with olive oil and salt, and I see one just olive oil. I'm not putting no salt. I'm gonna take a scoop of ice cream. Hope it's not melted. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, it is melted. Damn, I had it in my fridge. Whatever, melted or not, I'm still gonna do it. Sorry, I'm blocking y'all. Oh, I cannot believe I'm doing this. I'm not gonna OD though. So it's on it. Y'all see me pour on there. So let's see. No. No. I don't like that. That's not, no, that's not it. I'm not going for that. Nope. The next one is Oreo dipped in orange juice. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I get stuck. Did I shake it up? Hold on. Oh. This is Oreo I found because Dollar Tree only had this one. It says it's Cakester, so still Oreo. So we're gonna pour a little orange juice in there, not a lot, because I don't want to waste it. And then It smells just like Oreo. It's Oreo. So look how it is. I never had this one before. It's my first time trying this too. So we're gonna dip it. Well, I'm gonna show y'all. See, it's dripping. It's wet. Hold on. Let's do this again. It's not bad. It's not bad. It actually tastes good. It's not bad. Why do I actually like that? This one is bread and butter and sugar sandwich. Like what? This is so weird. This is very weird. Very weird. Like, who come up with these stuff? Alright, so this is the bread. I like some Dollar Tree. I like the bread. And some butter. Butter. I can't believe I was sitting here doing this video though. I'm a very picky person, so for me to do this video is like different. I said I was gonna do some different stuff on my channel this year though, so I'm actually proud of myself doing this video because I thought I would. Alright, that's enough butter. Got the Domino salt, the white salt. I'm not gonna put a lot, put enough that I could taste it. Okay, that's enough. Alright, then we make the sandwich. That's how you do it. Oh, put it to the side. Why is, oh, I'm like, why is it like that? What's going on with this bread? It's the slides. Okay, whatever. Alright, let's try this. Bread and butter is like, I eat that. I'm Jamaican, so I eat bread and butter. But bread and butter with sugar, I never had that before. Never had that before. I'm not doing that. I keep doing that. Now, yeah, I beat it already, but I'm like, well, I keep every minute. Like, girl, calm down. It's there. You're gonna do this again. This is good. This is good. This is good. And the bread is so soft and nice. Even making more. I like bread like this. It's so soft and nice. So I like this. This is good. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Very good. Next, we're gonna try apple with salt and pepper. Now again, I'm from the Caribbean, so we eat fruits with salt sometimes. But I don't think we ever put black pepper. I never put black pepper on there. I can't speak for everybody else. But I never see anybody do that. I never put black pepper on there. I put salt, like regular salt, but black pepper. So let's try it. No, I don't want to OD either. Okay, so see it? This is how it look. Ooh, I mean, they're not bad. I don't like this apple though. I rather the green, I rather the golden apples. So, but I think yeah, that's snack. And these are on apple I saw at the store. That's why when I went to the market, so I picked them up. A 10 out of 10. Cucumber in Nutella or chocolate. I think I have the hazelnut one. Where is it? Dollar Tree don't have. Well, the one I went to, mine don't have. It don't have Nutella, so I got the hazelnut spread with cocoa. It's melted chocolate. Oh, so I think just rub it all over like this. Yeah, it's a snack. It's a snack. I would definitely eat this. Yep. I ate Nutella with banana before, so, and strawberries. So I think cucumber not that far. I know it's a vegetable, but it's good. 10 out of 10. The next one is Takis and ice cream. The blue Takis. Okay, the ice cream is like melted, so it's like, oh. It's hot. Oh. Okay. I'll give it a 6. A 6 out of 10. It's not bad. It's okay. The next one, cereal with orange juice. I don't want to use all of this. I think I have something else to do with cereal. I'm using the same bowl I had the orange juice in. Alright, see? So it's just Frosted Flakes I'm using. Orange juice. It's just weird. Very weird. Alright, what? Alright. I don't think it's gonna taste good. Well, let's go. I gotta make it to let it sog a little bit, but let's see. Nah, I don't like it. Ugh. Where's my water? Where's my water? Oh. Nah, that wasn't there. I don't like that one. I'd be bugging. I don't know. Ooh, I don't know. With them something here. I mean, I like them. That was not it. I don't like that one. Okay. Next one is Oreos and pickles. Hold on. Oh. Why did I have it upside down? There's only 3 coming there? Alright, so Oreos and pickles. How you do this? Let me go see. Oreos and pickle juice. So I'm dipping it in the juice. Okay, so I'm dipping it in the juice then. Hold on. Hold on a minute. It's so bitter. It's not bad. It's not bad. I would give it a 6. A 6. Alright, the next one is, I think I see something with Doritos. Doritos with chocolates. So one of these are my favorite. These are one of my favorite Doritos, so I don't think it's gonna taste that bad. So we're gonna use this chocolates and a Dorito chip. Favorite Cool Ranch. So let's see. See? I'll put some more on there. Okay, I think that's an, oh, damn, I OD'd. What? This is so good. It do have a little bitterness because of the ranch, but I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Other than that, this is good. You know what's funny? Like, I really don't like ranch, but these are one of my favorite Doritos. I know. Make it make sense. I don't like the taste of ranch. Yeah, whatever. Okay. The next one is watermelon and honey. So we're gonna try this. Alright. We're gonna go with the middle piece. Well, this piece right here because it's staring at me. So we're gonna go with the watermelon. A little bit of honey. Go across. Okay. I think that's enough. Hold on. Let me try this again. I mean, I didn't put enough honey on there. Trying to see how. I don't know. Yeah, you're gonna be in the middle. That's it. I'm not putting more on there. These were acting up outside because it's spring, but it's would I eat this on a regular? No, I'm gonna give it a. This watermelon is not even that sweet either. That's the thing. I'm gonna give it a 3 or 4 out of 10. I don't know. I don't think I like it like that. But I know for sure this is what I've had this before. Cajun with watermelon. That tastes good. Yeah. I think I started doing this at the beginning. I think the beginning of the year. It tastes good. I'm gonna put my hands down. Not give myself high blood pressure. But this is good. It's like watermelon with salt. You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of salt on this. Just a little bit. It's really coming out. So Don't think I'm OD over here. It's a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay. Next. Oh, I see something else. Pickle and ice cream. I don't think that's gonna taste good. What's ice cream? Bro. What am I doing? I know it's not gonna taste good. So we're gonna take one of these pickles out. It's so bitter. I know it's not gonna taste good with the ice cream. If it tastes good, I'll be so surprised. Alright. Vanilla ice cream and pickles. Hold on. It's a no for me. No. It's too bitter. It's too bitter. Ooh. I just picked up something in my head just now. I'll put it. Let's try watermelon and ice cream. This is mine. I don't think ever. And let me look it up. If TikTok ever did that, I don't think they ever did that. Let me see. I literally just made that up in my head. So let me see if they did it. It says sugar on cucumber tastes like watermelon. What? Hold on. Let me try this. Sugar and watermelon. I mean sugar. Let me cover this. Sugar on cucumber tastes like watermelon. What? Okay, I'm about to. Calm down. I'm about to. Don't rush you. It tastes like watermelon. Let's see. Hold on. Oh my God. They may have something here. Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, so it is similar. It just don't have the sweetness as the watermelon. It does have a similar taste, but not too much. It's not really sweet like the watermelon. I don't taste the sweetness. Because when you bite into the cucumber, it's still bitter. The sugar is on the top. Because you know, it's a difference. When you bite into the cucumber, it's still bitter. When you bite into watermelon, it's sweet. So I don't really taste the exact same thing, but I taste a little bit. If it makes sense. That's my opinion. Yeah, because watermelon is bitter. So it's not going to taste exactly like it. But it's close. Alright, I also going to taste. I also going to do watermelon with ice cream. That's what I was supposed to go on there and look on. And I see that. Watermelon ice cream. But to try watermelon with ice cream is what I'm trying to say. Like, I don't see it. So, watermelon and ice cream. Let's see how this tastes. The watermelon is too bitter for the ice cream, so I would eat separate. I like the pickle. Nah. Vienna sausage with hot Cheetos. Oh, I'm pouring this in here. I don't like this. Alright. So we got some chicken Vienna sausage. really got any hot Cheetos in here, so I'm gonna take one out, throw it in the bag, shake it up because I see that it's all over the Cheetos is all over the sausage. So okay, it's not really. It's not a look. I can tell that's when I had a sausage. Probably last year. But we're gonna take it and eat it together. Together. This is good. This is good. Oh, this is good. Oh, that's a snack right there. This is the last one I'm doing. So cream cheese and jelly. Which one go on first? I thought to toast it. I don't feel like toasting it. I don't like bread toasted like that much. I ain't getting enough to toast nothing. Yeah. They have it toasted, but I'm not toasting it. What's the... So I think I'll put cream cheese and jelly on one side. Grape jelly. So... jelly, cream cheese. Slap it together. Make a sandwich. I think I want to open it up and eat it from the middle so I can just taste everything. Mmm. I will eat this. This is, I think I can eat this for a snack. Yeah, I think it's for a snack. This, I'm gonna give, oh yeah, let me read the sausage there. Where's the Cheetos at? Oh. This I'm gonna give a 7 out of 10. The Cheetos and sausage, baby, that's a 10. The whole time. I used to basically use everything on this table. I said, well, some things. I think I'm gonna do a part 2. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.